Hello everybody! Initially I wanted to show you one of my lasagna recipes because all of my friends like them a lot, but immediately after their first try they always ask me if I was preparing myself also the bechamel sauce. So today I'm showing you first how to prepare this basic sauce which terrorizes unexperienced cooks but turns into one of the easiest sauces to prepare if you follow just one only trick of mine. The proportion is always the same, 1 to 10. In this case I'm using 100 grams of unsalted butter, 100 grams of all-purpose flour and 1 liter of milk. Put butter and flour together in a pot on the fire. Let the butter melt completely while stirring continuously until you obtain a thick but perfectly homogeneous cream. Now take the pot away from the heat and let everything cool down completely. Only when this cream will have reached room temperature, add half a glass of milk and stir until you will have perfectly diluted the mixture, always working at room temperature. Add another half glass of milk, go on stirring, add the remaining milk and stir until you will have dissolved the cream completely. Only now put the pot over a medium heat and stir all the time until the heat will cook and thicken the flour. Add salt to taste and if you like also some nutmeg. And the bechamel sauce is now ready to be used. And in the next video recipes we will use it to prepare my pumpkin lasagna, lasagna with meat sauce and a delicious version of lasagna with mixed vegetables. Wishing you a nice Sunday. I remind you to read as usual the text box under the video. See you soon again. Ciao!